All right, I'm going to be doing a video on how to hack your iPhone screen red. Now, this doesn't block all of the blue light. This does the majority. It does way more than night shift for iPhone. That does nothing. Don't use that. Now, this is an older iPhone. This is an iPhone 6, I think. I don't know. This is a burner phone. I use it on airplane mode, podcasts, and music when I'm in the gym or doing whatever. So the majority of them, the basis is the same, but for this one, it might be a little different if you have a newer iPhone, but you're going to go to settings, you're going to go to general, let me get closer here, you're going to go to general, and then you're going to go to accessibility. Accessibility, you're looking for display accommodations, and in display accommodations, you're going to see color filters. You go to color filters, and you're going to click it on. You don't want any of these ones. You want the last one. It's called color tint. Click color tint, and you're going to make sure that the hue and the intensity are all the way right. Like that. Okay? So now you've switched it. So here's the next hack. You're going to go back to your general, and you're going to find accessibility again. And then you're going to look for accessibility shortcut. Should be, there it is. Okay, so with this one, depending on your iPhone, of course, this one has a home button, so that's the shortcut button. So I can triple click the shortcut, and I can automatically have that shortcut. So it works great. On newer iPhones, I think it's the volume button or something like that, but super dope hack. Hope you guys use it. Hack your iPhone screen red.